Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths effectively, following a step-by-step approach. First, always begin by understanding the fundamental concepts before attempting problems. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building a strong mathematical base. Next, actively engage with the material by trying to explain concepts in your own words. This helps solidify your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Remember, passive reading is far less effective than active learning. A key step is active recall. After learning a concept, try to solve problems from scratch without peeking at the solution. Use a blank sheet of paper and work through the steps. If you get stuck, make a note of where you struggled, then review that specific concept. This process highlights your weak points, allowing you to target your study more efficiently. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused, uninterrupted practice daily to see significant improvement. To achieve deep understanding, don't just memorize formulas, understand why they work. Try to explain concepts to an imaginary student or even yourself. This verbalization helps clarify your thoughts. Incorporate spaced repetition into your study schedule. Review topics after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week, and so on. This method, proven by research, significantly boosts long-term retention and makes complex ideas stick in your mind. Finally, apply your knowledge to diverse problems. Don't just stick to textbook examples, explore different problem types to broaden your understanding. Continuous review is also vital. Set aside time each week to go over all the topics you've covered, not just the most recent ones. This holistic approach ensures that your mathematical foundation remains strong and adaptable. Always reflect on your study methods and refine them for optimal learning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.